Air fryers are a healthier alternative to deep-fat frying. From French fries to chicken thighs, the air fryer will give you fast and delicious fried food with little or no oil. So, when it comes to fried food, the air fryer is my go-to kitchen appliance. However, in this video, I am doing a little experiment to test out how well the air fryer can handle baked goods. I will be baking one of my favorite banana bread recipes, so let's see if it will turn out as moist and scrumptious as the oven-baked version. Here is how to make air fryer banana bread. This air fryer banana bread is super easy to make and requires only a few simple ingredients. 3 bananas, riper the bananas, the better. 1 1/3 cups of all-purpose self-rising flour. Half a cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 2/3 cups of brown sugar, half a cup of olive oil or vegetable oil. Now, using a large mixing bowl, mash the bananas with a fork or a potato masher. Add salt, baking powder, and cinnamon. Now add all the brown sugar and pour in the milk and oil. Finally, add the self-rising flour and give the ingredients a good mix. You can mix it by hand or use the mixer. Once all the ingredients are mixed, then it is time to prepare your baking dish. I found a heat-proof glass bowl that perfectly fits into my air fryer basket. But you can also use any metal cake or loaf tin that is small enough to fit into the basket. If you really can't find any suitable baking dish, then you can just place a few layers of aluminum foil into your air fryer basket and pour the cake mixture in there. Now, bake in the air fryer at 330 degrees Fahrenheit or 165 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Which is about 20 minutes less than I usually bake it in the oven. After 30 minutes, check the banana bread with a knife or a toothpick. If it comes out clean, the banana bread is done. However, if there is a little bit of raw cake batter stuck on it, then place it back in the air fryer for another 5 minutes. As you can see, the initial appearance looks pretty good. Yes, it looks a bit lopsided at the top, but that is because of my unconventional baking dish rather than an air fryer. So let's check out the texture and how it looks inside. And it does look absolutely perfect. Soft, moist, and crumbly. I would say probably a better result than oven-baked banana bread, and certainly a lot faster. For the full recipe and more tips and tricks on how to bake in an air fryer, follow the link in the description below the video. Check it out now.